Watch me braid. Today, I am giving my client medium-sized knotless braids in the back and feed in braids in the front. These are my medium-sized knotless braids. Keywords: my medium size. I am aware that other people would classify these as small or even micro size. My sizing is based on the size of the boxes. Each client's braids will look different according to their hair density. I always match density so that the braids are not too heavy and they fall as naturally as possible. That is just my technique. My clients can choose to have more hair added. I always let them know that more added hair equals heavier braids. This is important, especially if you plan to swim or wash your braids frequently. There is nothing wrong with having thicker braids, but if you are on a healthy hair journey, make sure your natural hair can handle the stress of thicker, heavier braids first. Not every braid style is a protective style. I always try not to braid too tightly. The client's braids should not be intertwined with their thoughts, feelings, and brain matter. You can have neat results without braiding every single strand the client has on their head.